Stop blaming your grocery bags. I'm going to show you the 3 things you're doing wrong that are actually causing your back pain. Look, I've worked with thousands of people who thought their back pain was just part of getting older. It wasn't. It was how they were lugging their groceries. It was how they were carrying their purse, bag, or backpack. It was how they held their kids or were holding their grandkids. And once they fixed these positioning mistakes, the pain that had been there stopped. I'm going to break down exactly what's happening to your spine and pelvis when you carry things, and more importantly, how to fix it so you can carry what you need to carry without paying for it later. I'm Dr. Ryan Wolfert, and you know that moment when you see your grandkids and you want to just pick them up and hold them? And just for a second, you hesitate because you know what's coming. Maybe tonight your back will hurt, or tomorrow morning, maybe you'll wake up stiff. I see this all the time. People who are tired of their body betraying them during the most normal parts of life. Carrying groceries, holding grandkids, even just carrying a purse or a bag around all day. Here's what makes it so frustrating. You're not doing anything crazy. You're not training for a marathon. You're just living. You might not be aware of this, but your back pain isn't happening because you're carrying stuff. It's happening because of how you're carrying them. And I'm willing to bet you're making the same 3 mistakes almost everyone makes. Mistakes that are throwing your pelvis and spine completely out of alignment. So mistake number 1, you're loading everything to one side. Resting your grandchild on the same hip every time. Slinging your purse over the same shoulder. Carrying all the grocery bags in one arm because you want to get it done in one trip and still have a free hand to open the door. With this, your body isn't symmetrical anymore. One side is doing all the work while the other side is just along for the ride. Mistake number 2, you're holding things too far away from your body. You know, that car seat you're carrying at arm's length, that bag of groceries hanging down by your knees. The further something is from your center of gravity, the harder your back has to fight to keep you upright. It's like holding a gallon of milk straight out in front of you versus holding it close to your chest. It's the same weight, but it's a completely different strain on your body. Mistake number 3 actually goes along with number 1, but you never switch sides. If you've carried your purse, a backpack, a bag over your right shoulder for the last 20 years, your body has adapted to that. Your right shoulder sits differently than your left now. Your spine curves to compensate. Your pelvis tilts. And now you've trained your body to be crooked. So when you do this, when you keep making these mistakes, your pelvis tilts. When your pelvis tilts, your spine has to twist and curve to keep your head over your feet. Your lower back muscles are constantly working overtime, trying to hold you together. And that's where the pain comes in. It's not arthritis. It's not a slipped disc, although repetitively performing these mistakes can lead you down those paths. And it's not because you're just getting old. It's because your body is compensating for bad positioning and it's exhausted. And here's the thing that frustrates me and probably you too. You can stretch, you can massage, you can do core exercises till you're blue in the face. But if you go right back to carrying these things the same way, you're just fighting that losing battle. The fix is simpler than you might think. For example, when you're holding your grandchild, keep them above your hip, not resting on it. Stand with your weight evenly on both feet. Keep your spine as straight as possible, not twisted to one side. And for the love of your back, switch which side you're holding them on. Use your left arm for a few minutes, then the right arm. Just give both sides of your body a turn. Okay, for the heavy stuff like car seats, grocery bags, or that bag of dog food, hold it close to your body with both hands in front of you, not dangling down by your side, not behind you, right in front of you, close to your chest, close to your core. For your purse, your bag, here's a reality check. It shouldn't weigh 10 pounds. Only pack what you actually need. Choose bags with wider straps. Use ones with compartments so everything isn't lumped in one heavy corner. Switch shoulders. If you carried it on your right going into the store, carry it on your left coming out. And when you're standing in line, just put the bag down. Set it on the counter. Rest it in your shopping cart. You don't get bonus points for holding it the entire time. Look, I know this might sound simple, but we need reminders. You've probably tried everything. You've been told to strengthen your core, get adjusted, gotten massage after massage, and those are all healthy practices. absolutely keep doing them. But if nobody's ever addressed how you're moving through your actual day, then you've been treating the symptom instead of the cause. So try these tiny tweaks the next time you see your grandkids go to the store or out and about. And if you want to find out how your spine and posture and movement is directly affecting your health and how to fix it with personalized recommendations, just click the first link in the description and you can get a posture and mobility assessment no matter where you are in the world. And of course, be your own guarantee for your health and your life.